It's Friday and Max has been working away all week on the Beetle and he's got a ton done, so I figured I'd pause and do a little bit of a catch-up. You can see that he's got the strut perches done on either side. And then the last thing you saw was him putting together the X-brace on the cage. That is all done. You can see some gusset work up top. So the cage is mostly finished. We just need door bars and then a few little tie-in pieces like what you've got there. Can you explain what these are gonna be?
Yeah, so what we got here is off the dash bar, we have like a sandwich system where these are gonna go up in here with a top plate, and then we'll come around to the inside of what would be the boot, I guess. So we'll have that plate mounted on the bottom side, drill a hole, and then we'll drop a cup on both sides and then tie it to our front suspension with a big X-brace kind of similar to this. That way the cab and the body stays removable from the actual pan and the cage, but we're not sacrificing rigidity up at the front suspension.
As you guys saw, Max just finished out those interior panels. He had probably a week's worth of work into it, and you guys saw the condensed 3 or 4 minute version of it, but I've been popping out to the shop all week long, getting that progress, and it's been really awesome getting to see him work and develop these totally custom panels that all fit together. So the end result is really awesome, kind of shows the kind of fabrication experience that he has to be able to put that together so relatively quickly. From here, we can move on to 3 other major custom components of that car: the pedal assembly, the steering, and the seat mounts. And just so happens I got a message that the RECAROS that we've been waiting on for a while are in, so I'm gonna go out there with Ben. He's about to unbox them, take a look at them, and start coming up with a custom seat mount design, both for the passenger and driver's side. Now, once he's got that knocked out, we can get the driver back in here and get him fitted up for the pedal box and the fully custom steering assembly. So there's still a lot to do. I think in this episode, we're gonna tackle those seats, see where we end up with, and then the next one really hit the ground running with the pedal and the steering assemblies. So let's get out there and see where Ben's at right now. Ben is all done with those seat mounts, and it's really cool to have these RECAROS in here. The seats themselves are super comfortable, really plush, but still have some nice bolstering and support. And they're kind of a good middle ground seat between full race car and still being able to cruise and enjoy this thing and be somewhat comfortable. Now, this car has come a long way in a week. I mean, about 5 days ago, that was a gaping hole in the back where all the panels are. The seats obviously were just mocked up but not fitted. Now you can kind of get a sense of how this cage fits around you, how much space you have. That means Max can get started on those pedals and the steering assembly tomorrow, which I'm going to be recording and putting in the next episode. So if you guys enjoyed this one, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the page, and stay tuned for a very exciting episode to come.